Webb NS225 and LN225 calipers are offered with EnviroShield technology, which fully seals the short guide pin from dirt and water intrusion. The following video outlines the installation of the red guide sleeve cap. First, clean the rubber boot to remove excess dirt and debris. Use a smooth tool to gently pry the rubber boot over the tabs on the red cap. A pad wear wiring harness pen works well to pry the boot over the tabs. All Webb calipers come with a pad wear wiring harness pen. If a sharp tool such as a pick or screwdriver is used, the rubber boot can be cut or torn. If the boot is damaged, the short guide pin bushing must be replaced. Once the rubber boot is installed over the red tabs, make sure the red cap is square to the guide pin. If the red cap is not properly aligned before installation, the tabs on the caps can bend. If any tabs are bent, discard the cap and restart the process. Use a socket and rubber mallet to install the red cap into the bushing. A few light taps should fully seat the red cap into the bushing. For more information about Webb Ultra Grip calipers with EnviroShield technology, please visit www.webbadb.com.